this video will review. All right. Stuck in isolation. We're back. Got the same bike we did. Right there. So what you'll notice, well, if you were here, what you would notice is that the shifting is extremely stiff. When you try and push one of these little shifters right here, this one right here, it takes a lot of energy to try and push it when I've actually got tension on it. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna set you guys up over here. So what you can do is lube the cables and housings. To do that, shift into the largest cog in the rear, just like this. Shift up to that largest cog, and now, with the shifter, release. And once you do that, you'll notice that these cables now are very slack. Once those cables are slackened up, we can then unseat them from the cable stops. We can do that on every spot, just like this, like that. Pull them out of their homes, just like that. So, and just like that, we've got access. Now I've got this lubricant here. It's a very lightweight lubricant. It needs to be shaken. It separates. And the lubricant we really want is on the bottom of it. So shake it. And we'll start up here. Start lubricating the cable. So these cables don't have any major kinks or bends or anything like that on them. I knew that going into this. I kind of pre-checked, but as you're doing this, make sure to watch for any kind of kinks or bends or frays in the cables, because that can also cause bad shifting. This would be something where it's shifting okay, but it could be shifting better. And this quickly repairs your shifting and gets it back in order if there's drag inside the cables and inside the housing, not allowing the cable to move freely through it. So we're gonna we let that soak in a little bit. We're gonna move this up, back and forth a little bit. This center one is actually rusty. So this one should really be replaced, but let's see how big of a difference this lubricant can make. I call this exercising of the cable. Moving it back and forth. This one really should get a new one, but we're gonna keep plugging forward. See something. Steady. And the shifting's much easier and better. Even though we should have had a cable, this lubricant, just lubricating the cable and housing, made it a lot easier to shift. So if you want a small improvement in shifting, maybe give lubing your cable and housing a shot. Thanks for watching. You can find hundreds more videos like this one on our channel here on YouTube. And we're constantly working on more. So be sure to subscribe for the latest content for Park Tool. And check out our website, which has even more content to help you make your bike better.